Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our granny character. Alright, first of all, for adding the granny character we need to bake our whole house, alright, since we will be using navmesh agent for granny movement. So for that what you need to do is you need to click on window, then in here if you didn't find a AI option then click on package manager. Then change this to Unity registry and right here search for AI. Alright, and make sure that you install this AI navigation package. When you install this, then click on window. In here you will find this AI, and in this AI you will find this navigation obsolete. Alright, make sure to open this window. It will open up right here with the inspector or a separate window like this. Just drag and drop it to this area. Alright, then you can click on bake option right there, then select the whole environment. Okay, and actually not the whole environment, just the granny map. Alright, this map. And what you can do, you can click on inspector and make this whole environment static, or else it will not bake. Alright, so make it static, and when you make it static then turn on gizmos, and when you turn on gizmos then click on navigation. And now we can go ahead and bake this whole environment. Let me get inside here. Okay, here we are. So you can click on bake, and as you can see, when it is baked it will create these blue lines, and on this blue area the granny can walk. Alright, you can remove this door from here because this will be the granny area, or you can say the granny room, so you can remove that door. And as you can see, the granny will not be able to walk in here, so we need to set these values right here. Make the agent radius as 0.1, agent height as 1, and make this as 0.7, and then click bake. And when you do that, now as you can see, the granny will be able to walk in this whole area. Alright, as you can see, all of this area is covered perfectly fine, as you can see. If you check the kitchen, alright, and then here, as you can see, the granny will be able to walk on all of this blue area. Okay, so once this is baked, now let's go ahead in the granny room right here, and then we can click on granny animated FBX, click on source. Here it is, this is the granny, and if you check the granny animator, here is the granny animator. Alright, if you are using some other character, then make sure that you, for that character, you add all of the animations and then the parameters. Like this, we have these 4 parameters in these 4 animation. The first one is idle, then the walk, and then the hit. Alright, this is the granny hit, when the granny hit the player, and then this is the arrow hit whenever we kill the granny. And if I show you the transitions, the first one is to the hit, and I set the is attacking to true, and then in the other one false. Right here I set the is walking to true, and in this one I set the is attacking to true, and in this one I set the is dead to true, and in this one as well. Then in this transition the is walking is true, and in the other one the is walking is false, and the is idle is true. And right here the is dead is true, and then the is dead is false. And the reason we did this is when the granny respawns, we of course want the granny to be in the idle mode, so that's why I make and transition from arrow hit back to idle. Alright, so make sure that you set this up like this, and you don't have to set it up because I'm providing this animator and this character to you guys. Okay, so you don't have to go through this. Now sorry, right here let's drag and drop this granny character, and to this granny character what we're gonna do is we actually need to size this granny character with our player. Here is our player character. If we drag and drop the granny, as you can see, the height of the granny and character is pretty much the same, so I think we are good to go. To this granny, first of all, go ahead and add a capsule collider. Edit the capsule collider. Alright, make the Y as 4. Make the radius of it as 1.8 and the height will be 10. Alright, as you can see, it covers the whole granny. Make the Y as 4.5 or 4. That's it. Alright, it covers the whole granny character. Now after this we need to add the nav mesh agent. So add the nav mesh agent, there it is. Alright, we can resize it if we want like this. Then this should be the height. Let's first of all move it a little bit up and then increase the height. Alright, let's move it down now. Okay, like this. Alright, it should be minus 0.47, and as you can see it covers the whole granny character. After this we need to add this animator, so drag and drop that, and now we need to make a script for our granny. So go in the scripts folder, right here create a new folder by the name of granny AI, and in here make a script by the name of, you can name it as granny, but I'm gonna just name it as villain AI because she is a villain. Click on granny, drag and drop this script right there at the top, and now in the next video we're gonna work on the villain AI script. So see you guys in the next one.